So we're gonna make a salad to go with our sandwiches and of course our dessert. But these are using yes berries from our good friends at Fresco Pure down in the Kingsville area. Strawberries go on. Fresh, again, getting fresh in February. How cool is this? Microgreens from our region here. Some pea shoots. And we're just gonna finishing up. Now you could use a balsamic glaze, you can use a little bit of olive oil, wherever you wanna go. Because we're at my house, we have a little bit of cognac aged balsamic, so we're gonna put a little bit of that on. Finish it up. Simple, easy, tailored to the way that you like it. Won't you join me here at the studio kitchen? We're creating great and amazing dishes day in, day out. Thanks so much for watching. It's the Studio Kitchen by ChefD. Hey, like us, share us, follow us, and of course subscribe to us. Till next time.